Hello, in front of me I've got Honda Jazz. In this video I'll show you how to check Windows manufacture date. To check Windows manufacture date, take a look at any window. Right here you will find at the bottom or side number and dot. Dot indicate month of production and number indicate year of production. It's crucial to learn this because if you are buying used car and the window is much younger than the car, it can indicate that the car was in the crash. In this case, this window was manufactured in 2023 in January. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.